Gut health can very easily be affected after a trip ends, and you really shouldn't be letting your guard down once you get on that plane to head home. Hi, my name is Sally Towle. I'm co-founder of The Belly Solution. Shared spaces, like bathrooms, are a very common place to pick up travellers' diarrhoea, and no better place than on an aeroplane on your way home from a high-risk destination where perhaps others don't have the high hygiene standards that you may have. So you'll pick it up on the plane and come home and perhaps within 3 days become unwell with travellers' diarrhoea. So keep taking your probiotics, your Saccharomyces boulardii, keep taking your prebiotics and keep hydrating with the correct electrolytes to make sure that you stay well when you get home. Travellers should absolutely rebuild their gut microbiome after an illness. If you look at your gut having been beaten about on an overseas adventure and you come home and you launch straight back into your normal lifestyle, you really run the risk of prolonging that illness and those adverse gut effects. What you need to be doing is continue to take your probiotics and prebiotics and key electrolytes and eat sensibly. Let your gut slowly reacclimatise to foods at home, and it won't hurt to just eat, plain rice and potatoes and simple foods while you do that.